We've always prided ourselves in our ability to conquer the unthinkable.
This flag is 625
These
miles from...
unimaginable moments are what stands out to us years down the road. These moments when we dig deeper, point higher, break through obstacles, try the impossible, and learn the unknown. We consider these moments our proudest accomplishments. We as Americans haven't lost that. And we can't overlook the fact that we're still pioneers. And we've hardly started. And our greatest achievements can't be behind us, because our fate lies before us. Through life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.